Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send money from Revolut to Wise. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're wondering if you could actually transfer money from Revolut to Wise, well, the simple answer to that is no. So Revolut is actually a banking that you could actually use for yourself, while Wise is not actually a banking entity. So Wise is actually a tool that we could use to make transactions from one bank to another. So you won't be able to transfer your funds from Revolut directly to Wise. So you'll need to have another bank account to proceed with any transaction. So if you're wondering how can you actually make a transaction from Revolut to another bank using Wise, well, it's actually pretty easy. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to wise.com and log in into your account. So if you haven't logged in into your account, or if you don't have any account here, make sure to create one first. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on the send money that you'll see on your home screen here. Just click on that, and from here you'll be redirected to this section. Now, if you're sending from Revolut, we want to choose USD here, and we want to choose the amount or the currency that we'll be sending to. So if you're sending to another bank that is in the Philippines, make sure that you actually choose PHP on this one. Now, from here, just click on continue. Now, in here, the next thing you want to do is you want to choose if this transaction is for someone else or for yourself. So for this video, we're just going to choose myself. In here, you will have to enter your banking details. So it's going to ask for your full name, your bank name, as well as your account number in here. Now, what you need to do next here is just click on confirm, and from there, you just need to review your transaction and finally pay the funds that you have to transfer, or the funds that you need to transfer to your other bank account, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.